Hey, today I wanted to update you on my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 situation. I really wanted the green initially, so I exchanged the black Z Fold 3 for the Phantom Green Z Fold 3 today. I also picked up the Green Watch 4, which we'll get to here in a bit. However, I wanted to unbox this and show you what the Phantom Green Z Fold 3 model looks like. The unboxing experience is similar to that of the Phantom Black Z Fold 3 unboxing short I uploaded. You'll slice through the tape, open the box, and you're greeted with the Z Fold 3, which we'll set aside here briefly before we get to the color comparison and discussion about the Z Fold 3 Phantom Green. You'll get the SIM eject tool and the standard USB Type-C charging cable in the box. You'll remove the same plastic from the device, which is pretty easy to remove. Then you're greeted here with the actual device, and as you can see here, it is, well, more Phantom than green. You'll notice in different lighting here, trying to move the device around, you'll see some hues of green, but again, it's certainly more gray and black. Not as green as pictured here on the Samsung website where you would go to purchase this device. A little bit misleading, but overall, I am kind of impressed with the way Samsung engineered this. Shifting the device in my various lighting here, you can kind of see the green hues. It's not as highlighted or pronounced as some other green devices, but I have to say, going with that Phantom theme between the Phantom Black and the Phantom Green, once you step outdoors, you can really kind of see the differences. Here you can see the Phantom Green is a little bit more green in natural daylight. Looking here at the buttons and looking all around the sides of the device here, it looks a lot more green outdoors than it does indoors, and I definitely prefer the green in the color here than on the Phantom Black. Let me know in the comments down below though your thoughts on this device, especially compared to the Z Fold 3 in Phantom Black unboxings and videos I did. Again, I really wanted this primarily because I like the green watch. I like to have the matching colorway. But overall, I do have to say this looks very similar to the Phantom Black model, and it's going to be very minimal differences between the device. So if you're kind of debating still on which one to pick up and you're leaning more towards the Phantom Black, go with the Phantom Black. If you want those subtle hues of green, then you would go with the Phantom Green model here. Again, back here in the studio, looking at the phone, you can see here it is certainly more gray and black, but depending on how I tilt the device, you will get very minimal green hues indoors. Let's go ahead and unbox the Green Watch 4 real quick. Now, I absolutely love the Watch 4 Classic, so I'm kind of curious how this is going to compare overall, not having that mechanical dial on the actual watch face. But wow, I really like the green. Right away out of the box, I am digging the green color. It looks really nice. And not only that, I like the different band that you get with the Watch 4 versus the Watch 4 Classic right out of the box. I have to say it already feels a lot lighter in the hand than the Watch 4 Classic. And again, I really like this band. And looking around the sides of this device, this actually looks, well, pretty green. Really curious to see how the Watch 4 compares to the Classic. Stay tuned and subscribe for the findings there. As for the Z Fold 3, as I stated in my review video, I'm keeping this device for the long term, and I still love having that beautiful large display when I need it. The Z Fold 3 is just a solid device all around that I really enjoy using. I can't wait to compare it to the Duo 2 coming up here soon, especially if Microsoft decides to minimize the gap between their folding displays, creating a much larger single display. Overall though, I'm still incredibly happy with my Fold 3. Are you still enjoying yours, or maybe debating on picking one up also? Let me know in the comments down below. The Watch 4 Classic looks phenomenal in the green color, and it fits quite nicely on my wrist. I'm already gonna say it, compared to the Watch 4 Classic, this Green Watch 4 definitely feels a lot better on my wrist in comparison. It feels lighter in the hand. The band, I really like this band. For the Watch 4 Classic, I might pick up this band as well just to see the comparisons there, but I have to say I really like this watch overall in comparison. Now back to that Z Fold 3. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below as far as the actual color here for that Phantom Green, especially compared to the Phantom Black. I have to say, It is a very minimal green again, and I want to stress that, especially if you're looking to pick this up and you're debating between the two colors. For me personally, especially going outdoors, being in direct sunlight quite often, I do like that I get that green color effect all around the device, especially since I go caseless. It looks really nice to me, and I think paired with this green Watch 4, it's going to look really nice long term. Kind of curious to see how it holds up long term though, so definitely subscribe and stay tuned for that video dropping in the future, probably about 6 months or so down the road. But again, this has been my unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 in the Phantom Green. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate all of the support. Take care and stay safe.